Are you losing more hair than normal? Is it coming out in clumps when you shower or brush? Are you finding hair all over your pillow, your clothes, your bathroom floor? And if you're a woman, are your periods irregular, heavy, painful, or completely missing? These two problems are almost always connected, and today I'm going to explain exactly why. Hair loss in women is rarely just about hair. It's a visible sign that your hormones are completely out of balance. Your body is screaming for help and your hair is paying the price. I'm going to reveal the hidden hormonal causes of hair loss and give you the exact solutions to restore your hormones and regrow your hair. Let me explain what's really happening inside your body when you're losing hair and having menstrual problems. Your hair growth is controlled by hormones, specifically estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid hormones, cortisol, and insulin. When these hormones are balanced, your hair grows thick, strong, and healthy. But when these hormones are out of balance, your hair follicles shut down and enter a resting phase. They stop producing new hair, and the existing hair falls out. The most common hormonal imbalance causing hair loss in women is estrogen dominance combined with low progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone are supposed to work together in a delicate balance throughout your menstrual cycle. Estrogen builds up the uterine lining in the first half of your cycle. Progesterone balances estrogen and stabilizes the lining in the second half. But most women today have too much estrogen and not enough progesterone. This creates estrogen dominance, which wrecks your entire hormonal system. Estrogen dominance causes heavy periods, painful cramps, PMS, mood swings, weight gain, and yes, hair loss. Excess estrogen disrupts the normal hair growth cycle and causes your hair to fall out prematurely. Another major cause of hair loss in women is high testosterone or high androgens. This often happens in a condition called PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Women with PCOS have insulin resistance, which drives up testosterone production. High testosterone in women causes male pattern hair loss on the scalp, but excess hair growth on the face, chest, and back. It also causes irregular periods, weight gain around the belly, and acne. The root cause is insulin resistance, but the visible symptoms are hormonal chaos and hair loss. Now let's talk about the warning signs that hormonal imbalance is causing your hair loss. If your periods are irregular, coming every few months or not at all, your hormones are severely imbalanced. If your periods are extremely heavy with clots, you have estrogen dominance. If you have severe PMS with mood swings, anxiety, irritability, and breast tenderness, estrogen dominance is the problem. If you're gaining weight around your belly and can't lose it, insulin resistance is driving your hormonal imbalance. If you have acne, especially along your jawline and chin, high testosterone is at play. If you have facial hair or hair on your chest, back, or abdomen, your androgens are too high. If you're exhausted all the time, your thyroid or adrenal glands are struggling. If you're losing hair on your scalp but growing it on your face, that's classic PCOS. If you have thinning hair all over your scalp, especially noticeable at your part line, estrogen dominance or thyroid problems are likely. If you're losing hair at your temples or crown, high testosterone is causing male pattern baldness. All of these symptoms point to the same root causes: insulin resistance, estrogen dominance, high testosterone, thyroid dysfunction, or chronic stress-raising cortisol. These hormonal problems don't just affect your hair and periods. They increase your risk of infertility, diabetes, heart disease, breast cancer, and endometrial cancer. Your body is sending you urgent warnings that need to be addressed now. So what can you do to fix your hormones and stop hair loss? I'm going to give you the exact protocol that works. Number 1. Fix insulin resistance with a ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. This is the foundation. Insulin resistance is the root cause of PCOS, high testosterone, and estrogen dominance in most women. When your insulin is chronically elevated, it signals your ovaries to produce excess testosterone. This creates hormonal chaos. The solution is to drastically lower your carbohydrate intake to less than 20 grams per day. Eat healthy fats, moderate protein, and 7 to 10 cups of vegetables. This drops your insulin, which allows your hormones to rebalance naturally. Combine keto with intermittent fasting. Start with a 16-hour fast, eating between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. This further lowers insulin and improves hormone sensitivity. Within 1 month of strict keto and fasting, most women see dramatic improvements in their periods, hair growth, and other symptoms. Number 2. Take DIM, diindolyl methane. DIM is a compound found in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. It helps your liver break down and eliminate excess estrogen. If you have estrogen dominance, DIM is essential. Take 100 to 200 milligrams of DIM daily. This will help clear out the excess estrogen that's causing heavy periods and hair loss. You can also eat large amounts of cruciferous vegetables to get DIM naturally. Number 3. Support your liver with milk thistle and dandelion root. Your liver is responsible for breaking down and eliminating excess hormones. If your liver is sluggish or fatty, hormones build up in your system and wreak havoc. Milk thistle contains silymarin, which protects and heals your liver. Dandelion root supports bile production and liver detoxification. Take these daily to support hormone clearance. Number 4. Take Vitex, also called chasteberry. Vitex is a powerful herb that balances progesterone and estrogen. It works by supporting your pituitary gland, which controls hormone production. Vitex increases progesterone, which counteracts estrogen dominance. It also helps regulate irregular periods and reduce PMS. Take 400 to 1,000 milligrams of Vitex daily. Within 3 months, most women see normalized periods and reduced hair loss. Number 5. Fix your thyroid. Hypothyroidism is a major cause of hair loss in women. Your thyroid controls your metabolism and hair growth. Low thyroid function causes hair to become thin, brittle, and fall out easily. Most doctors only test TSH, which doesn't give you the full picture. You need a complete thyroid panel including free T3, free T4, reverse T3, and thyroid antibodies. If your thyroid is low, you need to address the root causes: iodine deficiency, selenium deficiency, and autoimmune thyroiditis. Take selenium, 200 micrograms daily. Eat iodine-rich foods like seaweed or take an iodine supplement. Avoid gluten if you have Hashimoto's, as it triggers autoimmune attacks on your thyroid. Number 6. Lower your stress and cortisol. Chronic stress destroys your hormones and accelerates hair loss. High cortisol disrupts your menstrual cycle, lowers progesterone, and causes hair follicles to shut down. You need to actively manage stress with daily practices. Do deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or walking in nature. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night. Avoid caffeine if you're stressed, as it raises cortisol. Take ashwagandha or rhodiola, adaptogenic herbs that lower cortisol and support your adrenal glands. Number 7. Take biotin, zinc, and collagen for hair regrowth. Once you've fixed the hormonal root causes, these nutrients accelerate hair regrowth. Biotin strengthens hair and prevents breakage. Take 5,000 to 10,000 micrograms daily. Zinc supports hair follicle health and hormone production. Take 30 to 50 milligrams daily. Collagen provides the amino acids your body needs to build strong hair. Take 10 to 20 grams of collagen peptides daily in water or smoothies. Here's what you can expect when you follow this protocol. Within 1 month, your periods will start to regulate. They'll become lighter, less painful, and more predictable. Your PMS symptoms will decrease dramatically. Within 2 months, you'll notice less hair shedding. The clumps of hair in the shower will decrease. Within 3 months, you'll see baby hairs growing along your hairline. Your hair will feel thicker and stronger. Within 6 months, your hair will be noticeably fuller. Your hormones will be balanced. Your energy will be restored. Your periods will be normal and manageable. The key is consistency. You need to follow the diet, fasting, and supplement protocol consistently for at least 3 to 6 months. Hair growth is slow and hormones take time to rebalance, but if you stick with it, your body will heal and your hair will grow back. The bottom line is this: hair loss and menstrual problems are not separate issues. They're both symptoms of underlying hormonal imbalance. Fix insulin resistance, estrogen dominance, high testosterone, thyroid dysfunction, and chronic stress, and both problems will resolve. Stop accepting hair loss as inevitable. Stop suffering through painful, irregular periods. Take control of your hormones and reclaim your health and your hair. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this with any woman struggling with hair loss or hormonal issues. This information can transform lives. Share this video with your loved ones so they can benefit from it too.